Hello everyone, this is Aceres. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my So for designing my stickers, I use my iPad and my Apple Pencil and the Procreate app. Hi, so after I designed my stickers, I will be opening the Silhouette Studio because I'll be using the Cameo as a cutting machine. So here is it. The media size should be A4 because I'll be printing on an A4 sticker paper. So after placing the designs, I need to resize it just to make sure that it won't extend over the cut border. It is very important as well to turn on the registration marks. The designs should stay inside that red rectangular outline to ensure that they would be cut accurately. So in order to turn each of the stickers into a cut file, we need to trace it. So I click on the select trace area and then I adjusted the threshold so that the images would be entirely yellow. After that, I clicked on the trace outer edge. And then offset. So since we just need to cut the outer part, the inside those lines inside should be removed. As you can see here, there are a lot of points there inside the sticker design, so we don't want them because the machine would cut inside. So this is why I'm going to remove them all. Okay, so now I'm going to send it to my printer. So to proceed to the cutting process, I pressed on the send button and adjusted the settings. What I wanted was a deep cut for these stickers. On the screen, you can see the settings that I used. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.